Hey everyone, we have a new mystery box again today, and it's called Under the Sea Mystery Box. Here we have a beautiful, cute twilight blue cutie. We also have a True Control knife tool. This is an X-Acto knife. It's really nice for projects. There is a light blue permanent glossy vinyl. There is also a medium blue permanent glossy vinyl. We have a black. Here we have the black permanent glitter vinyl. You need to use your strong transfer tape for that. Here's a roll of holographic vinyl. Here's a removable matte vinyl in a blue color, in a navy blue color. You also have a roll of iron-on vinyl with deep, it's a deep blue sea sampler, so there's a couple different color sheets in here. You have the regular transfer tape and also the vivid blue removable matte vinyl. And here you have it. This is what's in the box.